Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. Doge is showing some upside here after we reached that blue target zone for that internal wave 4. So it's interesting. We have an A wave down, we have a B wave up and a C wave down. I mean, there are a couple of possibilities here. There's short-term bullish, short-term bearish. Let's talk about short-term bullish because we have seen a reaction to the support area. I mean, that is what we wanted to see. Which is good. There is still plenty of space in the larger support zone. Quick explanation, what is the difference between these two support zones? We've got the blue one. One second, let me shift those numbers to the left. We've got the blue one and the orange one. Well, the main difference is that blue are the internal Fibonacci extensions, so lower degree targets. And typically a C wave would reach, this zone. But if obviously the correction needs to extend, then there is still plenty of space all the way down to 25 cents or even lower in the larger degree wave 4 that we talked about. Quick explanation. Let's take a quick look at the not the Bitcoin chart, but at the Doge long-term chart. Bitcoin at a key point though at the moment, the key point, but long-term or larger degree. Right, at the moment I see it as this wave 4 within a larger wave 3. Could be wrong about that, right? I mean, it's plausible both ways. It's difficult to say. For some coins are probably still in a smaller degree, some are already in the larger degree. But if Doge is already in the larger degree, it would be this wave 4 with support down to 20 cents. Either way, I think in the short term, well, we don't know yet. I think in the short term, it is wise to be prepared. Did I close that chart? I did close it. To be prepared for that deeper pullback, but there is a realistic chance for an upside reversal, and I would normally track that. What's that? It doesn't matter. Okay, I would normally track that, right? And because if we have a 3-wave move down complete, the correction could be complete. So why would I assume it's going lower? We can prepare for it, but we have to consider the low might be in, especially given this is a very healthy 4th wave with even an overshooting B wave and a solid C wave down. So from a bullish point of view, we are now in the 5th wave up and we would need a break, first of all, above this resistance area located between 40.7 cents and 45.6 cents. A break above that resistance area would take us to the next level at around 48.5 cents. Breaking above that would send us likely to 60 cents. But that's the short-term bullish case. There are 3 levels that matter. However, there is of course a short-term bearish potential, which could still be part of an overall bullish thesis, which is my view, but could simply be a larger correction, in which case this is a wave 1 to the downside of a larger wave C. We're now in a wave 2 corrective rally. That is plausible. Yeah. And then we go down like that in 5 waves. I would definitely consider that. That is why we have the resistance area on the chart. So I'm not sure, there are different ways of trading this, obviously, but let's say you went long in that box, just be aware in this resistance area, we could face some strong resistance, extra caution, whereas there's a realistic chance we're pushing higher in the 5th wave towards 60 cents. And I mean, I'm leaning towards the lowest in, right? That's why I'm tracking for several coins, but we're far from confirming the lowest in, right? There's a short-term bullish, short-term bearish scenario. It's always like reward and risk. The reward to risk ratio down here was decent. As we're moving into resistance, it's getting less favorable, but still. The idea would be in this wave 5, ideally we're going to get to 60 cents either now or a little later if that short-term bearish case plays out. And obviously the invalidation point for the short-term bullish count, that's invalidation, is at 36.5 cents. That's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, and please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.